Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's time to install a new light fixture and we're going to get right into it. So the first thing we do is remove the old one. Before you remove the old one, make sure you go outside or in the garage and turn off the breaker so you don't get hit with some 110. A lot of light fixtures will have a little center screw here. You unscrew that, then the light fixture will fall down. It'd still be attached by wires, but you want to make sure you get a good hold on it, because if the wires are loose or not put together well, or it's a heavy fixture, it'll come crashing down. It'll break the grip that the wire nuts have on all the wires. So this one's different. This one has clips, and these clips pull out like so and lube back in. Once you get one out, that bowl comes down just like so. Next, we remove this plate here. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a very lightweight fixture, and so there's no way that that's going to fall. But some of these fixtures are heavier, and you want to make sure you maintain a hand on it until you're able to disconnect the wires. There's your first look at the wires. You'll pull those down, and you see you have a neutral, which is white typically, a black, which is your power, and then your ground wire. So power, neutral, ground. And fixture removed. Now this here is the new base plate for the new fixture my wife purchased. You'll stick all three wires through that center hole, and you move the base plate up into position to screw it in. What I like to do now is, so this thing doesn't fall down, is just bend your wires in a fashion that hold the base plate up. Next, attach your base plate to the box in the ceiling. I leave a little bit of slack so I can move it around. Once it's in place where you like it, go ahead and tighten your screws down. This is a plastic base, and so make sure you do not over tighten it. All right, next let's get it wired and into place. Now some wires on some of these fixtures are just not stripped enough, in my opinion. And so I do like to strip just a little bit more. And there we go. All right, guys, in this case, the brown goes with the power. Power's black. And the blue wire goes with the neutral wire. Now this particular light is so low in voltage that it actually does not have a ground wire. Now at this stage, what I like to do is I like to go outside, turn back on the breaker in the garage, and test the light. Let's check it out. Now these new fixtures, a lot of times they have multiple settings, and this is one of them. So this is the first setting. This is the second setting. The third setting. The fourth setting. And the fifth setting, which I kind of like. I stuff these wires back inside this hole here. This one here locks in and then gets twisted into place. Voila. And then always check your ladder to make sure you didn't leave anything sitting on it like I did. Where I go to fold the ladder up, and well, the drill falls on my head. What a difference new light fixtures make.